They say you can tell you've become a real New Yorker the minute you stop looking up. Looking up's for the tourists, for the recent transplants, the people who don't have work to get to, a train to catch. Looking up's for the dreamers, for children who haven't yet outgrown their surroundings, for anyone wide-eyed enough to believe New York still lives up to its namesake as some place new. But we've heard a different story. We hear there are still neighborhoods to explore, still places to get lost in, still secrets worth finding, that there are still victories to toast, stories left to tell and be told, heights worth climbing, that there are still connections to make, perspectives to consider, and celebrations to come. We've heard that there are plenty of reasons to keep looking up.